Hello, my name is Sergio André Manzi Patiño, and I am a student in the development of visual graphic media program. The name instructor Benjamin Jose Alvarado Gutierrez, and today I will present a video about a very special tourist site, La Ermita Church, located in Cali, Valle del Cauca, Colombia. Location and about Cali. La Ermita is located in San Pedro neighborhood in downtown Cali, right by the Cali River and the famous Boulevard del Rio. Cali is now as the salsa capital of the world and is famous for the Feria de Cali. It's a vibrant city with a rich culture and delicious gastronomy linked to sugarcane. Architecture and elements. What is like? La Ermita is a striking neo-Gothic landmark. Its elegant white facade looks delicate yet monumental. Key elements include its pointed arch, beautiful stained glass windows, and the iron gates that frame the entrance. It is truly one of the most recognizable images of your city. Detailed element, the altar and history. Let's look at one important element in detail. The main centerpiece is an 18th century marble altar imported from Italy. The church also features a musical clock from Amsterdam, and religious images that are more than 3 centuries old, such as the Christ de la Caña. Sensations and personal opinion. This place transmits a sense of peace, spirituality, and admiration for its craftsmanship. I choose La Ermita because it is an iconic postcard landmark that perfectly connects your history with the modern Boulevard del Rio. Thank you for watching my presentation.